Are you looking to take your lawn to the next level this year? Well, you found the right YouTube channel. Welcome to Great Green North Lawn Care. My name is Wade Murray, and today we're going to be going over a quick update on what's coming up here on Great Green North Lawn Care in 2023. So those of you who don't know, my name is Wade Murray. I used to work in the lawn care industry. I worked at a golf course and I worked for a lawn care company, and now I make videos for homeowners to help take their lawn to the next level. I'm located near Toronto in Canada, and my biggest focus is helping those Canadian viewers take their lawn to the next level without needing, some of those products that we don't have access to here in Canada. Another big focus of mine is the attitude problem. Because of these chemical bans that have come in here in Canada, a lot of people have just plainly given up, and there's no need to give up on your lawn, especially with some of the new products that are available now. So make sure, if you're trying to take your lawn to the next level this year, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video, and share it with your friends and family. Let's get this channel growing so we can reach out to more Canadians and help get better lawns all across this great country. So first of all, let's talk about upload schedule. My plan is for this year, I'm hopefully going to be uploading 2 shorts every week, a new video every Monday, as well as a new podcast every month. So the shorts are those videos that are 1 minute or less. I've been doing 30 of them in a row currently, so if you want to check out my shorts, you can hit the playlist up here. The videos are going to be like this. They're about 15 to 20 minutes. Sit down, talk about lawn care, walking around, talking about lawn stuff, whatever's going on. Those are going to come out every Monday, as well as the podcast. It's about an hour long once a month. I recently did an episode with Ryan DeMay talking all about Canadian lawn care. If you're looking to get the podcast, you can watch it on my YouTube channel in the playlist up here, or you can watch it wherever you get your podcasts, Spotify, iTunes, Stitcher, all those platforms as well. As well as this, for those of you who are new here, make sure to check out my past videos. I have lots of great videos about taking your lawn to the next level, things you can do in the spring, so you can check that all out in a playlist. I'll have a link down in the description below. And if you like what you're seeing and it helps a lot, make sure you subscribe so we can keep growing this. As well as this, I do accept questions from my viewers. You can submit the questions to my website, greatgreennorthlawncare.ca, or you can email me your questions, greatgreennorthlawncare@gmail.com. As well as this year, I'm going to be selling some merch. I have baseball hats, I have t-shirts, I have sweaters, and I have these windbreakers, just like the one I'm wearing right now, because it's a little chilly here in the garage. So if you're looking to get those, pricing details will be listed on my website, and you can send inquiries through my website, greatgreennorthlawncare@gmail.com, and we can set up time to get it shipped out to you so you can get your hands on that. Coming up here in 2023, I have a project lawn that I'm setting up. So hopefully I'm going to be able to show you guys how I can take a lawn from nothing to the level that mine is within a year. So we're going to be filming at the project lawn. As well as that, I have more liquid fertilizers I want to be testing, and wetting agents I want to be testing in my front yard. I'm going to be doing some pure liquid testing on my side yard, and the standard granular testing that I do in my backyard. Trying to keep all of this green all summer long. When we hit these summer heat waves, can be a really big challenge. So make sure you stay along for the ride. I can show you what's going on in my lawn, and 2023 is going to be a great year coming up this year. Thank for all of you who've been supporting the channel recently. We've been growing to heights that I never thought we were ever going to get. So let's hope that this year we can get to 1,000 subscribers. We can keep growing this channel, be a great inclusive lawn care community. We can help people get their lawns to the next level. So from the Great Green North, my name is Wade Murray. Make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, keep it green.